Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your screen a DSLR monitor. So you can basically monitor everything your DSLR camera can see. This is directed towards Canon cameras and Nikon, and I know it's possible on Sony cameras as well. So the main things you need is a USB cable whereby you plug your camera into your PC or your computer, and then you need a tool which is free for Canon. It's called the EOS utility. This is a standard EOS utility, which is the first one, and it allows you control via your PC. So you can actually plug in the camera, open up the tool, and then that allows you to view what your camera is seeing. So that's the EOS tool there. When you open it, it will identify your camera. That's the EOS 5D Mark II, which I'm using at the moment. I've got options here. This is a free tool, by the way, for Canon. You can go on the website. I'll include the link in the description. You go to camera settings, remote shooting, and then you'll see exactly what the camera display will see. So that first there is a kind of a back of the screen look, and you can adjust your ISO and shutter speed and aperture there. The modes are all here. You can click on live view shoot, which I'm doing now, and you'll see the camera view pop up. So this is going to be like of my desk basically. I'm just going to show you quickly. Let's just bring that over here. There, so that's what's on my desk at the moment, and that's what you will see. So this is a quick video to help you see how that would work, and you can use that for various types of things. You can monitor what is on your camera, what you're shooting, and adjust the focus to make sure you're bang on with focus. So this is for the Canon one, but there are also options for Nikon and Sony. So this, let me show you the tool itself, EOS utility. So if I bring you onto the screen, this is the actual tool. It's a Canon website and it's called the EOS utility. There's a number of different cameras that is available for, so make sure to check that out and download it basically, because you've got a free option there for even older cameras to use. So that will be a nice option for you, EOS utility. And I've got another video about this if you're using it and why you should use it. So the main benefit, I'll save you watching that, but I'll link it in the description, is if you're doing product photography, you can have the camera set up on a tripod, and the stuff you're photographing, you'll get multiple shots easily by a click of a button, as opposed to clicking the camera and getting shutter, motion blur or anything in your photos. And also looking at flash photography is how you can improve it, but that'll be a separate clip possibly.